Well, here we are on a Thursday afternoon. It's getting late, and pretty much the Peterson guys will be here soon, I hope. And then we go to their little banquet. Oh, look right here. Look what's here. We have the Y job, and we're in building number 6, not 5 as I was told before, number 6. And here we are, Tommy Raybar. Say hello.
Hey, Mr. Wells.
Andres and Kyra. Anyhow, this we're at the Grand National, and this is where they parked us. Da-da-da-da-da-da. And anyhow, we're building 6. We're near the end of it. We're in spot 20. Please come on by and say hello. Visit the car. I think you'll get a kick out of it. There's some terrific cars here. So anyhow, just wanted to say hello to you and show you a little bit of the car. Come and see the rest for yourself.